it's on record.
Got this, babe. Yeah, you said you can edit it out.
Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. My wife's laughing at me, but it's all good. Been gone for 3 weeks. Looking forward to getting back on the truck. I did a couple things on the fuel system before I left, and I managed never to get on video. So today's video, we'll kind of go through that. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and bell button to get all the notifications on the project so far. And it helps me out. And yeah, you guys will stay up to date and everything like that. And also don't forget to post a comment on what you don't like about the video or what you can do better to make the videos more entertaining for everybody. And that's what it's all about, right? So anyways, I think we'll hop right into showing you what I did before I left. And then might have to drop the tank again. But anyways, we'll hop right into that. So let's go. So I managed, before I left from my last job, I managed to get the two lines. I'll turn on a fucking light here so we can see what we're doing. Managed to get my two steel braided lines run off the back here of the rail. One over there, comes down underneath the, beside the engine here, down to the frame rail, goes to a Y. I'll show you what I did under there once I get my clamps and everything in place underneath the truck. Like I said, I'm still waiting on the fuel rail, so I plan on putting the fuel rail somewhere in this fucking location. Don't know. I think it's going to tuck underneath the Holly high rise here, kind of right here in the corner. And then the return line is going to run underneath, nice and neat underneath the Holly, straight down the back to the tank. The tank I did have out last time, and I did the bulkhead fitting and all that good stuff. I might have to drop the tank again because I forgot to drill the tank and put the fucking bung in for the vent. But yeah, I put the, you can see the bulkhead in here with my 90, and it runs up here to the filter. This filter here, today's plan, I think, is to move everything back so I can get the pump in here. If I can get the pump in there, it would just make life a lot easier. I was going to have the pump further up, but that ain't going to work for me. But we got our plans, we got ideas. As you can see, this roll pan, it's got a bit of fucking rust on it. So right here, you can see the lines real close. So I'm actually going to cut this roll pan back about, I don't know, here and here, notch it out. Then I can slide this whole assembly holes and everything back and hopefully fit the pump up in here. That's the plan. So yeah, I'll like I said, I might have to drop this tank again, but it's coming together slowly but surely. Been gone for 3 weeks, back at it now, so got the weekend off, so we'll start cracking away at some things. All right, let's fucking take this thing apart. Don't be hating. I know it's AN and I got a crescent wrench, but I ain't fucking rich and I don't have no crescent wrenches that big. Dash 12 on this feed line for this aeromotive pump. I think, like I said, I was gonna do, take this off. We're gonna cut this roll pan and try to see if we can tuck this fuel line nice and neatly up in the back of this roll pan. That's the plan anyway. It works, it works. Who the fuck knows? We'll find out. Real nice and easy stuff fucking to build. Once you do it a couple times, you get kind of good at it, and yeah, learn little tips and tricks on how to cut the holes and make your fittings fit on better. And so take your time, and real easy, and stuff's pretty basic at the end of the day. So I think we'll leave that filter up in there, and then we'll tape off this fitting, I think, and give it a cut. Maybe I should put that back up there actually. I don't want to fuck that up. Probably go grab a marker before I took that off. Ah, fuck, what do you do? Screw that fucker back on there like so. I'll just temporarily put that up there. I'll grab a marker. We'll mark this roll pan and then we'll give her a, oh shit. Not a professional mechanic. We'll give her a fucking marky mark. Manga. And then somewhere there. You know what? I think we'll just bring it right up to here. Right up to this fucking notch. It's already in there. So, loves your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. I tell you, I'm looking forward to having this fucking done. You know, it's hard in the job I do. I'm trying to build a truck and a family and everything, but sure, you can't get it done in a week, but I guess that's the point of a project, right? Is to takes time, and to do it right, I mean, fuck, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but to do it the way I think's right and everything takes time, so. Fucker. Anyways, there's a piece cut out. It's over there now. Falcon fell over there, but anyways, it's cut out now. This fucking air compressor's going, so I do apologize. This here, we're gonna sand it all down and probably tape it off. I'm gonna rocker guard this back corner here, just throw on the street, you know, just so it doesn't get beat up too much. Clean it up a little bit. This is the only rust that's on the actual truck itself. But anyways, we're gonna put the edge in. You get it from just the old, what is that place called again? Shit, drawing a blank. Think. Greg's Distributors. Fuck, I believe I forgot that one. Greg's Distributors, they have this nice rubber stuff with a steel insert on the inside. So you can slide it over and it will form to the edge here and protect the hoses. We'll pick some of that up and throw that on there. But what do I do with that marker? Got one. Oh, and always don't forget your fucking safety glasses. Well, we'll go ahead and cut that out, and I'll come back to you guys when it's all done. So guys, you can see got a little test mock-up fucking setup going on here. I managed to move this filter, obviously it was right up here, and this hole back good fair fucking couple inches, well, more than that, let's be real. All right, so yeah, I moved it back to this bracket, and I managed to get the line ran nice and up, comes out of the tank right there. So this here, like I said, I'll clean this up and I'll get some of that nice rubber edging, fucking make it all nice and clean, and repaint this before I put the edging on. And then I'm hoping there's gonna be enough fucking room here for my pump. I think the pump's around 9 inches, so it should put it here. I mean, it's pretty fucking close to this tire, but I really have no choice with the tank that I have in it, and I ain't changing it. So once I get that pump in here, I can kind of decide I'm going to run the line obviously up in that way. And then maybe I'll build a little shield here to protect it from the rubber. I mean, it's made to be out in the elements, but you know how it is. Fucking tired doing mock chicken in the burnout box. It's going to cover this fucking poor thing in. I don't know, the GoPro decided to shit the bed there. But anyways, I'll build a little cover for it out of some stainless steel and it'll protect the pump. But yeah, that's part one of the fuel system install so far. Like I said, I'm kind of stumped, kind of stuck right now. I can't finish it because I don't have the remainder of my parts. I know times are tough, but I mean, I should have learned my lesson. Just order it on fucking Summit. But anyways. Oh, and Mastercraft. Yeah, you make good shit. Maximum stuff. Got some 1/2 inch stubby. I mean, Makita, everybody loves Makita. But I'm not gonna lie, these Mastercraft fucking maximum impact grinders, cordless grinder they got now. I'm running the wrong battery, but cordless grinder's great. Everything they make's great. This one here's got 3 torque settings on it. It's absolutely, it's a beast. I've had it for 2-3 years and it hasn't even skipped the beat on me. But Canadian Tire, if you're watching, I like your shit. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell button to get your notifications on the S10 content we're doing. Hopefully the next video, part 2, we'll have the fuel pump in and we're that much closer to getting this thing running. Literally all I need is a fuel system and this this thing might come to life. Maybe one day, we'll see. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for a lot more S10 content. Have a good day and a Merry Christmas to everybody out there that's watching.